Friends, on 1st April 2024, new KYC norms were announced whereby KYCs are getting tagged as registered or validated. In this video, we will try to assist you with options how you can perform the online KYC for yourself in terms of modifying your existing KYCs via Aadhaar-based address proof. So just a brief background before this, that before 1st April 2024, you could get your address proof through 4 OVDs, primarily the driving license, Aadhaar, passport, and voter ID. 1st April 2024 ke baad bhi, these were also okay. But the KRAs have actually come across with a guideline that they will not mark a KYC record of an investor as validated unless they are able to independently validate a particular KYC. What happens if they do not validate a KYC? The KYC status is marked as registered. Impact of registered versus validated, you would, while your existing investments DSP Mutual Fund या DSP investments के साथ हो रहे हैं, वो आप buy, sell, transact कर सकते हैं. But if you are a new investor or you want to invest in some other new mutual fund scheme, or let's say you want to go to a stockbroker, whatever, you will not be able to transact over there. So existing investments not impacted. Looks like long run में doing KYC via Aadhaar is the only way. Unfortunately, this video will not be able to help non-residents because उनके लिए अभी कोई electronic means nahi aaya hai. In this video, we'll help you how step by step you could use a few available options which have been we have been able to test out for getting your KYCs from registered to validated. In other words, if the KYC was done through anything other than Aadhaar, how do you do it online? Your last resort is submitting a physical paper to the respective financial institution, but you know physical papers are not always great, so you would want to do hassle-free from your own convenience. This video is going to exactly talk about that. Before that, a quick introduction. My name is CA Puneet Agarwal. I'm the founder of Banyan FA LLP, where we are one-stop shop for all finance needs of people. Please follow us on Instagram and YouTube, where we release weekly videos related to personal finance. So currently we have got 2 ways of doing electronic KYC. There are others as well, as and when we'll come across, we'll update it in the description. One link is provided by UTI, second is provided by DSP. We are using DSP as an example. UTI clearly says that it will be able to modify KYCs if they have been done through CVL as a KRA. So if you have to identify which KRA your particular KYC is, look at the link at the bottom of the video and you'll be able to then use a UTI link. If you use the DSP link, DSP currently looks like they're saying that it will work across with all KRAs. Whatever, it's worth a try, I would say. Steps दोनों में exactly same है. So अगर आप DSP का walkthrough समझ गए, तो आप UTI का भी समझ जाएंगे. So let's see how this whole thing works. So we'll share our screen now and you will be able to see the process. So when you click the link, what you will see first, you'll have to click the modify KYC button, enter your PAN, mobile number, email ID. You have to then put your OTPs, which will come on your mobile number and your email address. So we are entering it now. And then after that, press the continue button. It will then take you, show you that what documents will be required. You'll need to put a captcha over here and then click let's go. And after that, we'll try to get your location, click allow over there. Next screen will be, you have options to do your IDs. So either you upload a PAN card, or I would suggest do the PAN DigiLocker option, which you're seeing over here at this point of time. Click into the login button. Next in, you'll have to enter your Aadhaar number and enter the captcha information. An OTP will come on your Aadhaar linked phone, which we'll just enter. Next, enter the OTP from Aadhaar. You have to create a 6-digit PIN. It's fine. Any number you can put in. Continue. So you'll pull in your Aadhaar and PAN details from this particular website and click allow. Second. So it will pull in those information from DigiLocker into the KYC system. You'll see your Aadhaar related photographs and your Aadhaar information being represented over there. Just have a quick review. Click over there that I am the holder of Aadhaar given below. So give it the permission and click the next button after that. Now just go through all the information. You will have to fill in a bit of your missing information like your gender, marital status, please correct that part. Then you'll have to select your, let's say, the relationship of your father or spouse, your maiden name if you are a female, mother's name optional, you may avoid it as well. Then the residential status, citizenship statuses, you can update all of them. Let's go one by one. So let's kind of fill in the maiden details, mother's information is optional, right? And then click next. It will come up with the FATCA declaration, the CRS declarations, suited for yourself. Over here, it's all no, and click next then. You will have to upload your signature. So keep a signature file of yours handy and upload it there and click confirm. Right? And then it will request to kind of capture your photo. So click the allow camera button and it will click a selfie. It will open make sure that your background is all clean while you're taking a photo, and it will upload the photograph on the KYC system. Verify a photograph, it's all okay. Click the next button. Then it will actually fill up the KYC form, and it will show you the KYC form, the information which has captured. It will show you all the documents which have been captured, like your signature. You will see your PAN card, Aadhaar copy. See, and then you click at the bottom, e-sign. You'll have to now enter your Aadhaar number, click the send OTP button, and the OTP will then you will stop the screen share now. So you'll have to then put in your OTP and post that. It will move to the next step of submitting it into the system. Done. 1 or 2 days after, you go back to your CVL's website and you will be able to see your KYC status. How to check the KYC status? There's a link at the bottom of the video and you can go and check your KYC status at your end. I hope this video is helpful. We have also got a very detailed video on the entire coverage of what happened in this KYC from 1st April 2024. We would recommend you go and watch that for the whole background. Thank you.